Hello and welcome back to Pipejawood Woodturning. In our latest community tab we ask you, our members, what you love to see next. The response was clear and exciting: honey dippers crafted from exotic woods. Today we are bringing your choice to life. Let's dive into the world of woodturning together. After exploring various materials for our project, from the rich tones of cherry and black walnut to the classic beauty of oak, we decided to choose something a bit more unusual for our honey dippers. First we start with the raw turning of our smoked tree wood. In Slovenian we call it Rouge. And in the second part of the video we will make a dipper from pinky wood. Before anything else, I will use the skew chisel to get this raw block into a basic round shape. This step is crucial. It's our foundation before we diving into the finer details of shaping our dippers. So, now we can start designing our project. The bottom wider part of our honey dipper is 3 cm long and the total size will be 15 cm. We're starting with the bottom part of our dipper, aiming to give it that behave look right from the get-go. Using the skew chisel, I will carefully work the wood to create those rounded, behave-like shape. This isn't just about aesthetic, it's about making a dipper that is functional and it's beautiful, with a good grip. Now the bottom part is shaped like behave. It's time to add some definition with grooves. I will switch to the parting tool for precision. Grooves are not just decorative, they add texture and improve grip. I will carefully carve each groove, spacing them evenly to match the behave pattern. This step requires a steady hand and a bit of patience, but the result will be worth it. Now the bottom part is done. It is time to make the handle. I will use the skew chisel for this part. The goal is to make a handle that is easy to hold and use. I want to make a handle that will look elegant and will also make some decoration on it, which you can see for yourself. Here you can see for yourself how beautiful the grain and color are in this wood. Since this part is already very thin, I help myself with my fingers so that I don't have so many vibrations when I am working on this part. Here I will use the spindle gouge to add some decoration. Next up, we are shaping the top part of our dipper to look like a behave. I will carve out that rounded layer design, really aiming for that behave appearance. After that, I'm going to add some flair by burning lines around it for decoration. It's going to give it a nice finished look and a bit of texture. Let's get to it and see how it turns out. Now we're down to the final steps, sanding and finishing. First I will sand the honey dipper smooth with fine grit sandpaper, making sure every surface is perfect. After sanding, it's time for the finishing touch with our homemade finish, a special blend of wax and mineral oil that we crafted ourselves. This finish will not only protect the wood but also bring out its natural beauty, giving it a soft shine. With the sanding and our signature finish applied, our first honey dipper is complete, ready for use or to be admired as a piece of art. Finishing up our first honey dipper, I'm excited to start a special project that's close to our hearts. This one's for you, our amazing community. After asking which wood you'd like to see next on our community tab, the answer was clear: exotic wood. So, in gratitude and inspired by your choice, I will now be making a honey dipper from pinky wood, a vibrant and unique material. This dipper is not just any project, it's a thank you to all of you who engage, share and contribute to our creative journey. Let's dive into making this special piece together. As we wrap up this special project, I'd like to hear your thoughts about it. Head over to the comment section below and let's talk about this honey dipper made from pinky wood. If you have any questions or just want to share your insights, I'm all ears and would be more than happy to engage in a conversation with you. Your feedback and questions not only help us improve, but also make our community stronger. So don't hesitate, let's get the discussion going. Your participation makes our woodworking journey so much richer. Whether you are a fellow woodworker, a hobbyist, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of handcrafted items, your insights are invaluable. And if you are inspired to try making your own honey dipper or have suggestions for future projects, I'm especially eager to hear about that. Remember, this channel isn't just about sharing my work, it's about building a community of creators, learners and woodcraft enthusiasts. Delving deeper into the craftsmanship behind our honey dippers, it's fascinating to explore the characteristics that make pinky wood and raw wood so captivating. Each has its own unique qualities that not only challenge the woodturner but also enrich the final piece of unparalleled beauty of function. As we navigate through the nuances of working with such exotic woods, I'm reminded of the endless possibilities and learning opportunities they present. It is the exploration and the sharing of knowledge that forms the core of our channel. Whether you are a seasoned woodturner or new to the craft, there's always something new to discover, a different techniques to master or fresh perspective to consider. I'm curious to hear from you. What drew you to woodturning? It is the tactile satisfaction of shaping wood, the joy of creating something from scratch, or perhaps the therapeutic rhythm of the lathe. Maybe you have a specific type of wood where you're passionate about, or a project idea you're bringing to try. Our community is a rich tapestry of experience and ideas, and your contribution make it even more vibrant. If you've experimented with wood turning, feel free to share your experience or ask questions in the comment below. Your insights not only enrich our discussion but also inspire fellow viewers to embark on their own wood turning adventure. And if you are looking for tips, project ideas, or just want to dive deeper into the world of wood turning, our channel is here for you. We are all about sharing the knowledge, the success, and even the challenges that come with this craft. So let's keep the conversation going. Share your thoughts, suggestions, and questions. Your engagement is what shapes this community, driving us to explore and share even more. Remember, every turn of the lathe opens the new door to new possibilities. So whether you are turning a pan, a bowl, or a honey dipper, each project is a step on your wood turning journey. Let's continue to inspire each other, learn together, and celebrate the art of wood turning. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. It's been a pleasure sharing our process and the final results with you. We are always looking for a new video and projects to explore, so if you have any suggestions or thoughts on what you'd like to see next, let's discuss in the comments below. Your input is invaluable to us and it helps guide the content we create. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us and it is what keeps the community growing. Thanks again for watching and don't forget to share your ideas and questions in the comments. We are excited to see where our wood turning journey takes us next and we hope you will be part of it. Until next time, happy turning!